Whoa, Jessica! Look at that super fast train!
Yes, Harry! The train is zooming past. Whoosh! But, oh, do you see the train track?
It looks broken.
That's right. The old track needs to be fixed. Let's see how the workers build a new railway line.
Wow, what a big machine!
That's a crane, Harry. It lifts heavy things. Look, it's removing the old railway sleepers from the track.
Bye-bye, sleepers!
Yes, the crane is making space for the brand new track.
Jessica, that truck has a spinning belly.
That's a mixer truck. It's carrying crushed stones called ballast. Watch carefully. Swoosh! Down they go.
Crunchy rocks.
Yes, the ballast makes the railway strong and steady.
Ooh, that truck has long, heavy blocks.
Those are concrete railway sleepers, Harry. They hold the tracks in place. Look, the crane is back. It carefully lifts each sleeper and puts it down. Clunk, clunk, clunk.
Whoa, good job, Crane!
Yes, strong sleepers for our new railway.
Yay! The railway line is ready!
That's right, Harry. All the hard work is done. The track is strong, safe, and ready for trains.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.